Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do something super fun. We are doing our first Halloween look. So if you guys want to see what is the quickest, easiest Halloween costume that you can literally complete within less than 5 minutes with barely any ingredients, well then definitely keep on watching. So I'm gonna be straight up real with you guys. I feel like I look so pale and yellow, but it could just be the lighting. But I am really not technical or skilled like FX, I don't know, whatever that like, really creative like Halloween makeup look where they use like aesthetics and props, they use like molding and they do the really, really cool Halloween looks. This girl right here. It's not that skilled. I'm not that talented enough to do really, really fun, like Nikki Tutorials Halloween look. It's just never been my forte. No, I'm trying, but we're not there. So instead, I like to do fun Halloween costumes, something that anybody and everybody can do. Not only is it very, very fun for me to do, but it really brings smiles to everybody's faces. So for today's video, we're gonna transition into Mrs. Doubtfire, but the one that she's like, hello! That's what we're going to transition to. It's going to be so easy. Anybody can do it. And not only can it be like a Mrs. Doubtfire moment, it could also be like a stay-at-home mom moment. It could be an old lady moment. It could be whatever you want it to be. But all I know is that it's a very, very fun costume. People love it. People love seeing it. Actually, a couple years ago, one of my friends dressed up as Mrs. Doubtfire for Halloween. And another girl showed up to the same party dressed up like her. But when her neighbor saw her, her neighbor's like, oh, I've never seen you in the morning. I didn't realize that this is how you look. And she's like, it's Halloween. But the neighbor really thought that was what she looked like in the morning. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and just get this started. All right. So first things first, we're going to take this disgusting hair and we're going to throw it up into like a pony. The wig that I bought didn't come with like anything, so we're gonna just put this into a bun to get it out of the way. Now the wig that I got on Amazon. It is actually extremely hard to find like a Mrs. Doubtfire wig, and the ones that I did find that closely resembles was like a $30 wig, and I'm like, I am not spending $30 on a Mrs. Doubtfire wig, not doing it. The wig that I got is this little old lady wig right here, so we are going to put it on today. There's no bald cap, nor did I think to get one. That's what you get whenever you pay like a $9 wig, but let's put it on. Hello! Yo, legit, this is a moment. This is a moment. This wig is just, god damn, is it a gorgeous wig. First off, let's take a look at the back. I think my pony's sticking out in the back, but you know what? That's okay. That is okay. We're just gonna adjust. Oh my god, hair hit my eye. We're gonna adjust this. Look how cheap this is. You can literally just see the seams of the wig. Literally, this is like a $9 wig on Amazon. So I can't even complain right now about how good this wig looks. Don't be jelly. I know there's some jelliness out there. All right, so we're just gonna let it be, it is what it is. It's gonna get destroyed. Next, was I supposed to have this? Next, we have to put on a robe. So any robe would do. I'm just using my Victoria's Secret robe because this is the robe that I have. So you just put it on, and you wanna make sure that you cover it like so because she has hers to cover up the yabos, the titties. I should put on like 10 bras to make my yabos look really nice and big, but no magic in the world is going to do that for me unless I get surgery. So we're going to tie it up right here. I'm ready getting this going. Okay, so as you know, she sticks her face into a big cake. Well, I don't have a cake, but what I do have is a pie crust and some Ready Whip. Now this Ready Whip is non-dairy almond milk because lactose intolerant. I want to be able to enjoy what I'm sticking on my face, and the dogs think that it's a treat for them as well. So we're gonna give this a good shakety shake and we are going to go for it. Ta-da! Alrighty, well, you know, as they say, bottoms up. So the next step is we just stick our face in the pie. All right. I'm excited. Here we go. Oh, hello! Oh, that didn't even do anything. Oh, bitch, you didn't even do anything. Okay. We'll improvise. All right, she's melting. Just a little bit of cream. It's all good. It's coming off into the coffee. You know, that's what we do. Just a little bit of cream. I'm melting. I will go get Geneva Fryer, my sister, you know, Mrs. Doubtfire. Well, see, so just as easy as that. That's what we do. Well, see, I got the almond milk one, and I didn't realize that the almond milk one melts because it's not dairy. So it doesn't really hold its shape. But this is what it would look like. Yay! I look magical. This is fun. We planned this out beautifully. We did. We planned this out great. I have running dairy down my face. Can't open my eye, but you know, who needs eyes? We don't need eyes. Yeah. Yay! Okay, so the whipped cream turned out great, but this can be salvaged. This can be salvaged. I actually have cake frosting, and that bitch ain't going nowhere. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so attempt number 2, we have cream cheese frosting, which, you know, actually ends up working out better than my Ready Whip. I should have used Cool Whip because she uses frosting. So we're just gonna take this whole cream cheese frosting. We're just gonna dump it straight into this pan. Attempt number 2. All right, when in doubt, we just go for it. So, oh, hello.
Hello!
This is perfect. A little tasty. Little tasty. It does the job. We just gotta let this melt into your little coffee. Oh, another little drop. That's just what we gotta do. See, now this can work. Now, the best part about using this type of frosting is that over time, you'll start to leave like little droplets where you walk, and people are gonna be like, oh, I know where she's going. Follow the sweet trail. Ants may come towards you. Bugs may fly and stick into your face. And this may harden up. But it sure does make for a great Halloween costume. Oh, hello! This is perfect. This is what we are looking for when it comes to a Halloween costume, is this right here. Oh, I love it. And now, all I'm missing is a little cup of tea to let my frosting drop in it, but done. Simple and easy. Now, when I go out, people will know I'm Mrs. Doubtfire. Obviously, you could tell with the hair, but this costume is so much fun. It is super duper easy. If you have a robe at home, you have frosting. Just get an old lady wig and boom, you have a quick 2-second Halloween costume. This took nothing to make, and it's so much fun. I think the best way to really do it is to go around with cake frosting in your face. That's like the best way to do it. Now, I will say, you're going to make some best friends, because I have 2 dogs right now that are hovering around me trying to get their hands on this frosting. But it is just so much fun, and I love doing stuff like this. I just think it makes it so fun and interesting, and I got it all over my robe. I just love doing it. And if you want something sweet, just lick your face. So yeah. Ooh. There we go. Oh, 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 another one. Another one. Another one. So much fun. I love doing this. I hope I look like Mrs. Doubtfire. Should I do it again? We'll do it one more time. Ready? Oh, hello! Oh, bitch. Yo. Look. Oh my god. I look fantastic. Oh, this wig is getting ruined right now, and I love it. I'm about to drop something. So stinking cool. This is a lot of fun. I am probably gonna sit here for like the next 30 minutes and keep wow. Keep dipping my face into the frosting. Why not? Why not have fun with it? Oh. I got a live one. This is my nightly remain mask, part of my beauty regimen. It's egg whites, creme fraiche, powdered sugar. Oh, there you go. You got your cream and sugar now.
1 drop or 2. Would you like another one? Oh, there you go.
Oh my god, I want to see more drops in here. Oh, there you go. 2 drops. Oh my god, it's dropping in the coffee. Oh, this makes me so happy. Ew, look. It's in my nose. All right, let's try this little cup of coffee with this crema. It's actually not that bad with cream cheese frosting inside of it. But yes, this is all it takes to create this costume. Now, I will definitely say it's super messy. You're gonna get it everywhere. You're probably gonna have to wash your robe, your hair, your face. You're probably gonna have to pick your nose to get all the frosting out of it. But oh my god, is it so much fun. I enjoy doing this so much. And it is like the easiest costume to make. So hopefully you guys like today's video. I will have where you guys can buy this amazing realistic wig down below. Super amazing. And yeah, like I said, these are the type of tutorials I love doing. It makes me so excited for Halloween. They're super easy, they're super fun, and anybody can do it. And if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures of amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Hello. Something that people can, but it's so pale. Oh yeah. This is a look. Oh, I forgot.